Hi, this is Colin. I'm just showing you a little Call of the Wild record player that I purchased off of eBay several months ago, and I think it was a hunting record player, late 60s, 70s maybe. It's made out of it's all made out of metal. It's not working. I take it that the hunters went out in the wild and did their hunting. It came with this big horn with it. This one's kind of bent up. I suppose they had it strapped to a tree or something when they were trying to take down a squirrel or a beaver or maybe a possum or something, roadkill. I don't know. I just thought I'd show you that. It's not working. It's one of my projects that I have to work on. But it's called a Call of the Wild record player. I guess that hunters took out in the field. And I have it came with a set of hunting records, like animal sounds, like this one's turkey doodlers or turkey squabblers or something. 3 or 4 like animal sounds. Oh, look at that one. Atco Records. Actual recordings of crows. This is going to be another one for you, Mr. Atco. You can pick up some of those maybe somewhere. But it came with the instruction manuals and things of that type. It's just a quick video. I just wanted to show you real quick. But here's the actual one of the records. I guess the hunters were trying to shoot down some birds or something. There you go. But I just want to show you guys a little bit of that. That's one of my projects that I'm going to have worked on. Atco Records, actual recordings of live crows. Thanks. Colin, over and out.